Tom, we have a problem.
What's our problem, dear?
Well, you know this 250-year-old barn that we're living in?
Yeah, we're not living in it.
No.
Oh, right there. All right. Yeah, that didn't come from the window.
That did not come from the window. That came from the roof.
All right.
In fact, you can see the water up there. Yep. 5 boards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. See it? Yeah, right under the knot.
Straight above.
Yep.
Huh. That's where it's coming in.
Yeah.
All right. Well, no surprise. No surprise.
No.
No
We can't.
surprise.
No.
When we looked at it, we looked at the roof. I looked at the roof.
We saw you look at the roof.
Yeah. And did I say this roof is in great shape?
No.
What I've been talking about for the last 2 years.
I know, but I thought
I'm going up on that roof and I'm going to fix it.
You're not going up on the roof.
Well, that's the only way to fix it. You have to get up on that roof. Now, of course, the ideal would be to do the same as what they did on that side. Strip the whole thing, replace whatever boards need to be replaced, and reshingle it. And then the whole roof on this barn is good. The interim fix is to go up there, and where that location is, you can take out shingles and replace shingles and patch it.
Uh-huh.
And make it go a little longer.
Can we just put shingles right over the other shingles?
You can't put them right over. But you could put shingles over, but they have to go underneath the shingles that are above them
Oh,
so that the water continues to shed.
right.
Otherwise, the water will hit that and find another way in. And the thing is, you probably don't want to disturb it too much. Or the other thing maybe, I don't know, I'll do some research. Maybe there's, maybe you can put tar in there or whatever. Those shingles are in bad shape. So you start messing around with those shingles, they're going to start breaking and then you're going to have more openings.
It's a good thing I'm not superstitious, or I'd say this is a bad omen. I'm supposed to have a yoga class in a few minutes. And this is what's happening. All of a sudden, a leak has sprung in the roof of the barn. It's pouring, thundering and lightning. It's terrifying. Oh! Anyway, you know what I'm gonna do? I didn't advertise this one well. I don't have anyone signed up yet. I'm just going to do yoga. And if no one comes, I'm just gonna do it. So there we go. I like my speakers. They're working. Makes me happy. I saved $100 on a speaker and lost $10,000 on a roof. I think I'm in profit.